Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys!
Today we have an amazing day and we have something special for your bedroom. So, let's see what we have today.
We have mattress protector.
Soft to touch, breathable, Caroline UK.
Non-waterproof, but still protects.
Yeah, breathable skincare absorption, whatever it is. So let's open it and see what we have. It's the ones I think you open it and it becomes as big as the mattresses.
No, it's not that big.
Yeah, but it's quite like it's in a vacuum or something.
Well, it is squashed a bit, but
Let me make a better angle.
yeah.
Yeah, so you can wash it.
Yeah, up to 40 degrees.
Washing machine. You can't put it on the chemical
Dry cleaning, that's
dry cleaning. You can iron it, but you can put it to the
it's a tumble dry.
Say for
Yeah, you can dry on the tumble dryer, but you have to do it on low.
So it says that it is top cover polyester, 100% polyester, breathable hollow fiber. That's good. Let's see what it is.
Let's see what it is.
I hope you can open it.
I will. There you go, see? So you can see it does puff up a bit.
It's gonna puff.
Just open it to show you the sides before I actually fit it on the bed. As you can see, it has quite a deep angle. That is how much, like the size of a mattress you can actually use.
So you can have it on a king size and
you can have it on a
yeah.
So
dual season mattresses and
mattresses that you have put memory foam on top, you can use it on that, as it's quite wide, so you can actually fit it all on without it sliding off, or at least it seems like it would not slide.
Right.
I will tell you in a minute. As material, it feels quite nice, yes.
Yeah.
It is polyester, but it feels like that kind of material that will not make you sweat.
Yeah, it's they put feathers or polyester usually on those type of protective covers.
It has polyester in it.
Yeah. So basically, it's like you have the same thing. This I might be wrong. It might be the same thing. They make the umbrellas.
No, it's not. That's actually they do make that type, but that is a waterproof one. I got the non-waterproof one.
Yeah, we don't need.
It is breathable.
Yeah, we don't need a.
We don't need a waterproof one, and I thought we'll try this one.
So the quality is nice. I believe I believe everybody is gonna be happy.
Yeah.
With that, you can have a single, you can have double, you can have a king size.
There's all the sizes. The range has the variety of all sizes you may need.
So if you want to learn more, we're gonna put that one, the Caroline Satiu, something like that. We're gonna put that one, and we're gonna put one which is waterproof.
Yes.
For your kids, for your bedroom, when you have kids, small kids.
Yes, because when you have kids.
So you can find the both links in the bottom of the video, and I would like to say, I don't know if you want to say anything else. I would say just put it on and see how it looks. Yeah,
let's go to the next step. Let's put it on the bed and see how it is.
So this is it. Look at that. It looks way better on the bed.
Yeah, you can see it.
Looks way better on the bed.
It's very easy to
install.
put on. It's
You
quite
just,
elastic.
you just use the elastic band on the side of the cover. And as I say, you can always get for your kids the waterproof model. This is not the waterproof one. It's just to make it a little more protect for the mattress and all this. But you can get the waterproof one. We have a double bed. You can have a.
They have all the sizes from single to like queen size. They've got all the sizes available.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
It's
nice feel.
It does not feel like it's going to, like, when you put your seat on, it will not slip off. It has quite a nice grip.
Yeah, I hope it's gonna be comfortable.
It will be comfortable.
Yeah. So this is it. This is the mattress protector. We are very happy with the result and the quality. It's polyester, but it's quite nice. So if you want to know more, just click on the description. You will find the waterproof and the regular
one we have.
And hope you enjoy the videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you very much. Have a great night. See ya.
See ya.